everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 788 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Ofra bronzer in the shade Americano that I got in my March 2020 Ipsy Glam bag, but if you saw that unboxing you would have seen that it arrived completely shattered, like completely turned to dust pretty much. It was crazy. But I reached out to Ipsy and they of course sent me a replacement product, and this one, it did arrive, like it's not broken, but it doesn't stay in the pan here, so I could probably just glue that down, but I'm not going to reach back out to Ipsy for another replacement. But I just wanted to call out that this one still also arrived broken. I would be really curious if you got this in your March Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know in the comments down below if yours also arrived broken, damaged. But so Ipsy says that this is a deluxe sample size, but it looks like a full-size product to me. And it looks like a really beautiful bronzy shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch because it looks like it has some shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, that is pigmented bronzer. I'm gonna have to remember to go in with a light hand. Oh, but it does. It has shimmery glow, which is so pretty. So this would also be a beautiful eyeshadow shade, especially since it has so much pigment. Like you can kind of see that glowy reflection to it from that shimmer, but it's a very subtle shimmer. I love that finish to this, and it has a really nice buttery texture. So yay, I'm excited to see how this is going to apply to my face. So I'm going to start out only taking a little bit onto my brush and applying this to kind of right below my cheekbones as a contour and bronzing effect. Oh my gosh, did you see how easily that just blended out? Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. It looks so great on the skin. Like, doesn't look like there's any powder, it just melts right into the skin, and it blended so easily. There is a bit of kickback. Going in with a little bit more to build it up since it did blend out so easily. But there, I really only feel like I need 2 layers on my very fair skin. But that's really pretty. It's definitely more of like a warm tone bronze, where if I apply too much, it will look orange on me. And that's just because of the undertone of this bronzer. Gosh, I love how this applies. I'm like blown away by how easy it is to blend, like so quick. I feel like I could do it in just like 2 swipes and it would be blended. But it really does warm up the skin beautifully, add some nice contour because the shimmer isn't too noticeable at all. It just more looks like healthy glow. So I'm also going to, I keep having to like tap it off each time because there is a bit of kickback, but I'm also going to bronze up my forehead, down the side of my face. I love how much warmth this gives to the face. Like it truly looks like this could have come from the sun. But of course, I never get this much sun exposure or color on my face, so I could just fake it with this product. Look at how much warmer and sun-kissed my face is looking already. And I always like to take my bronzer underneath the jawline to just kind of contour there. And then I like to do a little bit under my nose and then on each side of my nose. And I just want to add a little bit more to my cheeks for contouring, but then I'm also kind of applying it up a little bit to also bronze my cheeks. There we go. So it works as a contour and then also as a nice bronzer for the cheeks to add some sun-kissed glow. Wow, I absolutely love this. As I'm sure you can tell from my reaction, I'm so glad I reached out to Ipsy to have this replaced because this is seriously one of my new favorite bronzers. I'm obsessed with this color. Like looking at myself in the mirror, I look like I've had sun exposure and like I have this healthy radiant glow when we all know I haven't left the house in 2 weeks. So at least I can fake the look of like having gone on a tropical vacation with this bronzer here, and it could not be any easier to apply. So like smooth, even on the skin. It doesn't leave any texture. It just looks so natural. Like it looks like natural sun-kissed effect, and I love that. So this is just another product from Ofra that I am loving. I am so glad I got this in my March Ipsy glam bag. I feel like it's one of my best glam bags I've gotten so far. So I will of course have that video linked down below if you haven't seen my unboxing of it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.